About a solid week of rain now. Seeing anything even remotely sheltering out there or up there in that rain-drenched forest, anything even remotely sheltering, remotely hospitable. That's the birds' camp. The birds' camp, the song sparrows camp. Hey, hey, hey. The birds' camp, the song sparrows camp. The newborn nestlings have to survive out there. No roof over their tiny, tiny, wet little heads. No coats or raincoats or Helly Hansens to protect them from wild nature's unmotherly, unmerciful side. Ow, hey, ow, ow, hey, ow, hey, oh, hey, hey. I thought about wearing a ski mask or a mosquito head net to do this one, but no, I want the abusers to know their accuser. Ow, hey, oh, hey, 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 oh, hey. You have made the birds' camp far more of an unmerciful place, H. sapiens. Hey, ho, hey, hey. Your industrial revolution, your climate crisis, H. sapiens. But the poor little nestlings out there in the marsh, the poor little nestlings up there in the forest, they are the ones who are suffering. The birds' camp, the birds' camp, the birds' camp. Ow, hey, ow, hey, ow.